GH for STEM Juniors Challenge. From the Eastern region of Ghana, we have CHRISTIANA OWUSU. Christiana is a junior scientist from Trinity Presbyterian Model School. Christiana will show us an experiment with paper chromatography. For this, she uses 3 inks, a container, tissue paper, and a bowl containing water. Now let's see what paper chromatography is all about. Paper chromatography is a technique used to separate any combination of chemicals or substances that have different colors. This could include food mixtures or even secondary colors.
To start with the experiment, I'll take my tissue paper. Then, with the help of my ruler and a pencil, I rule a line on it.
The more absorbent the paper, the better.
I then dip my 3 inks at equal intervals on my tissue paper. With the help of my broomstick, I roll it in order for it to stand firm in my container. I dip my tissue paper into it.
Notice just the tip of the paper goes into the water.
From the experiment, it can be observed that the secondary colors, which are brown, green, and purple, have separated out into their various components. Brown separated out into traces of red and blue, and with green I can also see traces of yellow and blue, and with the purple I can also see traces of blue and red, which means that secondary colors are formed by the combination of 2 or more primary colors mixed in their right or equal proportions.
As water raises up the tissue paper, it carries the ink along with it.
Therefore, secondary colors can be separated out into their various components using the method of chromatography.
The live application of chromatography can be seen in food tests, that is, to show the quality and quantity of a particular food substance. It can also be used in criminal investigation to detect traces of samples of blood in a crime scene. My name is Mrs. Priscilla Eramadakwapobi, a teacher of Trinity Presbyterian Model School at OWUSU.
It's time for Juneos Practical STEM Quiz. The technique shown here can be used to separate many liquid mixtures and even different parts of your DNA. What do you see when you use it to separate palm oil? A. The palm oil splits into 2 more components. B. The palm oil does not separate into any components. Or C. The water will not rise past the place of the palm oil. What do you think of Christiana's experiment? Cool, right? So why don't you try this at home? Also, make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. You can check out any of our experiments at www.wegoinnovate.org. And please leave a comment. You can also follow us on social media at We Go Innovate or WhatsApp us on 055 406 6248. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.